We are juiced to share this opportunity for you to take part in a homestead experience. We're going to be sharing tips, tools, information, and insight to inspire your journey to greater self-sufficiency. We're fundraising with the Raffle to purchase equipment and supplies to get started. Check out these prizes! Every idea in garden starts with one: seeds. Next up, books. You're gonna need something to carry all those prizes. Healing oils. Shop your way with gift cards. And the grand prize, a 3-month farm stay. Join in using Cashapp, Venmo, or Zelle. Entry in this raffle enters you in our Homestead Founders community. Founding members receive monthly giveaways, our newsletter, and exclusive access to the Homestead Farm Stay. Thanks for watching!